PGIM India Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. Will this NFO help you create wealth or will it just hurt your wealth creation process? Let's analyze and review this in detail in this video. Before getting to know about this PGIM India Large and Mid Cap Funds, let us first understand what a Large and Mid Cap Fund category is. It is a category of equity mutual fund that invest in stocks of mid and large size companies, large cap stocks. In market capitalization, top 100 companies are designated as large cap stocks. Mid cap stocks, company rank from 101 to 250 are termed as mid cap companies. So in general, large and mid cap category are those category of equity mutual fund that invest in top 250 stocks of the market capitalization. It is suitable for long investment horizon and aggressive investors. Investment horizon should be a minimum of 7 years or even more. And it helps investors generate wealth in the long run. Investment objective. It aims to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing across the universe of large and mid-cap segment. Here, the large cap stocks provides more stability, whereas the mid cap stocks provides more growth potential. So overall, it enables investors to generate better risk-adjusted return. Now let's look into PGIM India Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. The NFO opens on 24 Jan 2024 and is open till 7th Feb 2024. Now let's start analyzing this NFO from its key features. It comes under large and mid cap category. It's an open-ended fund type. Exit load is 0.5% if redeemed within 3 months. Fund manager here is Ananda Padmanabhan Anjaneyan. And it uses Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for application is Rs 5,000. PGIM India Large and Mid Cap Fund investment objective is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-linked securities of mid and large cap segment. Now next, let's look into the investment strategy of this NFO. It tends to generate a higher alpha by investing across large and mid cap segment. It helps investors create a well-diversified portfolio by investing in large and mid cap companies. Overall, it looks to generate a better risk-adjusted returns. It helps investors create a dynamic portfolio which again will help them achieve their financial goals. Since this NFO comes under large and mid cap fund category, there is active stock selection and sector rotation as well. It chooses stocks from companies that are listed in top 250 of the market capitalization and looks to invest in stocks of sectors which has a better outlook. Following the investment strategy, now let's discuss about the potential merits of this NFO. It has lower volatility when compared to small and mid cap funds. It invests in businesses having core competency and distinctive advantages to generate alpha. It offers better risk-adjusted returns when compared to small and mid cap funds. And it has a higher growth potential than a pure large cap fund. Large cap fund increases the overall safety quotient of your investments. Since it invests in a blend of large and mid cap stocks, it can be neither considered as an conservative investment nor as an aggressive investment. As an investor, you should be well aware of the potential merits and demerits of your investment product. It is not ideal for aggressive investors who are looking for small cap exposure, not suitable for short term investors as it is an equity linked product and it has exposure to mid cap stocks, so in the short run there will be higher volatility. It has no portfolio, so as an investor, it becomes very much difficult for you to analyze the risk involved in it. And since it's an NFO, it doesn't have any track record. So as an investor, you cannot analyze the performance of the NFO and then look to invest in it. Calculated risk versus blind risk. If you take blind risk, it won't be much beneficial for your financial goals. Whereas a calculated risk will help you take a step forward to achieving your financial goals. During the bull market, this fund may underperform mid and small cap funds as this comes under the category of large and mid cap funds. So far, I hope I have covered all the necessary details that you need to know about this PGIM India Large and Mid Cap Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. So to achieve your financial goals, should you look to invest in this fund or avoid this fund? If you have an investment time horizon of 7 to 10 years, then you can consider this fund. But still, without proper portfolio, track record and research, your investment becomes risky. So suppose if you are looking to invest in large and mid cap fund, in market, there are large and mid cap fund which has a good track record of 7 to 10 years. If you invest in those funds, it will be much better for your financial goals. Before choosing these sort of funds, it's always better to consult a professional financial planner or a mutual fund distributor. He will be able to guide you in all aspects. such as investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, and ideal allocation. With all these guidance, you will be able to make a better informed investment decision. So it's always better to consult a professional financial planner or a mutual fund distributor before making an investment choice. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.